Hello, everybody. Today is the 26th of March 2025. It's 6 p.m. Italy, and it's 3 p.m. East time, New York time. So I want to show you my live platform because S&P 500 collapsed and I sold short Nasdaq and S&P 500. As many of you follow me, I had a very big setup and I'm gonna show you that. But my today gain are $149 and 240. I said again, $149,000 and $240. Why? Because I sold short all this contract. You can see at my right the broker execution slippage where we have all the time in Italian time and also hour, minute, and second. You can just double check on CME time and sales. Okay, I went short here at 58.32 with 14 contract, and then with 4 and 1 and 1 and 1, 28 contract at all. And then, I also sold short gold future. There is GC, see symbol here, and sorry, at 30.31, and I covered the short position at 32.26. It's intraday trading, but this operation was a day trade because then I just made the $149. Okay, I took profit temporarily and then I reopened the short position, used pyramiding, and when I was making money, I just increased position according to the quantum trading method. But now let's ask my students what they made and if they follow my trade and if they made money. Okay, I wanna launch now a Zoom with all my students just to comment this trade. Okay, so I want to show you how I forecast this high on S&P 500 based on 50% range. I put the 50% range from the last high here, from the bottom here, and then when the market yesterday touched the 50% range, I told myself, okay, I have to also use the other techniques such as gun angle. And I see that it's just crossing the 50% range and the high of yesterday at 58.32. Then you can also use QPL if you want here. And you can see here that you have this green QPL exactly overlapping at 50% range. Now, if I take out the range, you can see the QPL much better than now. I remove the gun retracement here, and you see the green QPL crossed by the blue angle here. Okay, so that's a very nice setup because it's not about only price, but time. And if I put here the time algo that we studied from 6th level to 10th level here, okay, close, okay, close. Okay, now you can see that this time algo, 90-degree between two very important entities that we use for time algo in the past, when we validated, gave us this very nice short trend for some days. But here, if we go to the past here, we have a high, and then the market went down for many days, several days, and then we have also in the past again another high here when the same algo occurred. We had here a reversal. Okay, so coming to our time today, this is the setup, and you can see also the impact of this short setup here because the market just collapsed on the H1 chart here, and you can look at here at the 5-minute chart in order to understand how the market was really plunging down. Okay, Giancarlo, did you follow this setup? Giancarlo from Monaco?
Yes, I did follow your setup and I made some money out of it.
Not bad, not bad. I'm really happy that you followed this. But did you study that on your own, or you just follow my studies?
Both. I'm also in your trading intraday sign chat. I have the premium service, so we started like a day before with your trade, and we started
Cool.
a little bit early. But I also study when you give the signals. I try to understand why you're giving with my
Also,
knowledge, my little knowledge compared to yours. But I try
you
to do my best.
very good because our QTP method is a scientific method because I see exactly what my students see. Luca Ghedinelli, can I ask you, in your experience, how often you just study on your own what I've just then, uh, focus on some study that I publish. Sometimes just later on that you study on your own this chart and sort of, what is your experience about the scientificity?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have find a lot of time that I studied in some markets. For example, last time was in coffee. I share some studies, and you check my studies and confirm that okay, it's good, and I have done same studies, but you win at the time because you post the chart after me and before me, sorry, and. This is a frequent thing because is usually do this, but not only with you, but only with other students. For example,
Cool.
in some studies, I have found some studies that I have made, but I don't have post the studies. So this is frequent. Is usual. Find something that you are going to study, and other students share your opinion and your idea because this is a scientific method. So what I see is the same that Fabio Oreste seen, and is the same Matteo Leone seen, and other students seen. So this is the best part because is super replicable, the replicability of the studies.
That's great because it means that you receive a tutoring, a mentoring, and you study the course I send you, the video courses at home, but then you have a powerful software like the QGF that I showed you before that show you exactly putting all the techniques such as time algo, QPLs, and gain angles, and also retracement. When you have all these techniques in one point, at the same time, you have a very strong setup, and S&P 500 went down 90 points in just a few hours. I believe that he'll keep going down tomorrow again and in next few days. So it's amazing how you have the same software I use and you make the same forecast I do. And no, how was the coffin operation? Did you make money on that?
Yeah, sure. We have gained, I don't remember, but I think 20 or much points after that short operation. Yeah, it was very good because was the high.
Yeah.
After that high, the market was crashing and continuing crashing. That high was not crossed out. So this is
It didn't break out. It didn't break out that top
exactly. Sorry.
anymore. Yeah, it didn't break it out. Yeah, okay. It's if you made 20 points on coffee, it means that you made $375 per point, and it means you made more than 7,000, right?
I used the CFD, but was a great trade.
Not bad, not bad. Okay, so thank you very much.